In this video, I'm going to share with you some ways that you can be even more valuable to your company as a salesperson in the unique role that it is. Stay tuned. Did you know that you can be even more valuable to your company beyond simply your ability to sell and bring in new business? It's true. You have a unique position in the company, one that is probably not duplicated anywhere else. Let me explain. You are probably one of the few people in the company that actually talks regularly to non-customers, people who are not doing business with the company. And I say regularly because you're probably not closing 100% of your deals. And so you're talking to people who ultimately don't buy. But when they don't buy, you might learn something, such as what they don't understand about your offerings, what they don't like about your offerings, what they see missing in your offerings. These are all reasons for the prospect not to buy, and reasons that help you to understand how you might adjust your message going forward, what features and benefits you might focus on, what new products you might emphasize for customers of a certain type, because maybe they just don't know about certain things. But that's as far as you can go. The company might need to make adjustments to their products and services going forward based on what non-customers are saying or doing. For example, car makers now don't make as many sedans as they used to. You may have noticed this if you visited a new car dealership. Most of what they're focused on now are SUVs. SUVs are dotting the roads all over the country because people love SUVs and they keep buying more and more of them. I'll bet that salespeople knew long before the senior leadership what customers wanted, that they wanted more SUVs and fewer sedans. And eventually that message rolled up to the leadership and changes were made. So this is one way that you can be very valuable to your company by sharing with them early on what you're hearing from non-buyers. Don't decide that it's not valuable. Share it with your manager or with your manager's manager what you're hearing, because it just might help the company to make a pivot or make adjustments that enrich the company's future. The second area is talking with existing customers. The same information you're getting from non-buyers, you might be getting from existing customers. What they don't like about your existing products and what they would like to see changed. They might even say, if you offered this, I would buy a lot more of your products. Or this is the service I'm really looking for. For example, when I sign up for new software, I often wish that the company would offer coaching on how to get set up on the software and guidance through the process rather than just making videos. I mean, why is it that I have to watch videos and do all the heavy lifting myself? It would be great if I could pay some money to a company and get coaching through the process. Since I'm a coach, well, I like coaching, right? And I like training too. So I'd like some coaching and training when I get new software. But this is what I'm talking about, that existing customers will often tell you things that help you as the salesperson to better adjust your message for new buyers or existing customers that you might be talking to soon. But it's also valuable information to tell your manager and other leaders at the company so that they can make adjustments going forward. So I'm not sure if you're providing this level of value to your company, but I am sure that you could be. And I do believe that you should be. There is this famous writer and speaker in the marketing space named Marcus Sheridan. And one of his favorite training tips that he gives to people who are trying to figure out what should we say on our blogs and in our videos to talk to prospective customers. Well, he likes to talk about they ask, you answer. They ask, you answer is a customer or buyer asks a question and then you answer that. Well, salespeople often hear those questions and answer those questions. Companies don't. So salespeople who share those questions with companies can then help the company to figure out, oh, this is what we should be talking about in our email marketing or on our blogs or in our videos or in our podcasts. So this is how salespeople can be so valuable to their companies. So be talkative, be communicative, be open about what you're hearing, and you will show greater value to your company, and they'll appreciate more of what you're doing. If this video has been helpful to you, please like it, comment on it, and of course, subscribe to the channel. I release new videos every week to help people just like you. And if you would like to have questions answered, email me at michael@buildandbalance.com. I reply to all email. If you'd like to learn more about my sales coaching and training solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. Thank you very much, and best wishes to you.